I've stopped going to the ice cream parlor. Now I make it at home with only 3 ingredients and spend very little. In a mixer container, we're going to add 400 grams of whipped cream mix. Now on top, we're going to add 395 grams of condensed milk. We're going to put the mixer on now and beat it very well until we reach the ideal consistency. And that's it, folks, it's ready. Now let's take out the mixer. And here I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate powder, 5 to 8 tablespoons. I'm using 50% chocolate powder, but you can make the flavor of your choice using any flavoring powder or even fruit. Add vanilla essence or grated coconut. It's totally up to you. I'm going to add a little bit more here. In total, I've used 8 tablespoons. It's all ready. Now just take it and transfer it to the container of your choice. Mine yielded 1.5 jars. Just put it in the freezer until it freezes. And now, folks, look how delicious it is. Do it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's a super quick and easy recipe that tastes delicious. And look at that chocolate ice cream. You can't resist it. I hope you enjoyed it. That was another recipe here from the Pour in the Kitchen. A big hug. See you next time. It was worth it.